everyone, how are you doing? So I'm obviously filming in a little bit of a different setup today, and I have my cats running around me. The reason why I'm in here is I'm hoping they will join us in this video. So just a crazy Saturday night here, drinking some wine from my Fur Mama cup that Nikki, Southern Mom, gave me. Oh, hi Archer. So I figured, you know, just drinking with my cats, might as well open their cat box by Target. So this is Archer right here in front of me. Hi Archer baby. Is this box for you? Can you smell it? Right when this box came in, they honestly freaked out. Because I usually keep like the pile of boxes I get each day, which is kind of most days lately. On the stairs, and when I come up, I bring it up, and they were all sitting on it, going crazy. But I'm kind of far away from you, but this is what the box looks like. There's a bunch of cats all over it. Oh, and there's a cat behind me now. Is it Archer again? No, it's Fiona. I'm so glad they're like coming into the video today. So I was getting ready and I had my cat ears on, so I decided I just keep them on. Why not? And then I also have this cat hoodie on, despite it being like 90 degrees here. Let's see. Oh, now it's 86. But here, if I take these off, I can put my hoodie on, and I've got some cat ears too. I'm such a dork. But anyways, let's get to the box. So I just checked and these are still available. So Target now offers 2 different pet boxes for $10 each. This is clearly the cat one, and then they also have a dog version as well. I've seen some people open their boxes and it seems pretty awesome. I have a feeling my cats will be very happy. They are very intrigued. I mean, the reason why they're up here is because I said the T word, T-R-E-A-T, you know? So they're a little excited. Okay, so let's open this baby up. Sorry if you hear noise, my desk is clearly not like well made with Archer's big butt on it. It's shaking. Okay, when I open it up, this is what I see. It says, "Hello cat friend. Like you, we're crazy for our cats, so we want to keep them happy and healthy at home." So that's why we created Target pet boxes filled with our best-selling and cat-approved snacks, treats, and meals that offer tasty and nutritious new options for your fickle, fuzzy roommate. Try them out on your tiny tiger and grab a full-size version at your favorite target.com/pets. Awesome. Oh, cool. On the back, there is a code. So if you've ever seen my Target beauty boxes, we usually get like $3 off a $15 purchase or more. This one gives you $5 off pet care purchase of $20 or more, which is super awesome. I'm definitely gonna have to take advantage of that. Like, I have 3 cats, Archer, Fiona, and Emmy, as a lot of you probably know, and you know, getting all that cat food can add up, so that's great to save $5, cool. And on this card, it also tells some information about each of the items. So the first thing on the very top is by Temptations, which is a treat brand I currently use for my cats. This one says it helps control tartar. It has a tasty chicken flavor, crunchy outside, soft inside, under 2 calories per bite. Do you guys want a treat? Let's try it out. Who wants a treat? Archer. Archer, want a treat? Emmy, do you want a treat? Emmy. Come here, Emmy. Emmy. Fiona. 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 Come here. Fiona. So they're all loving their treats so far. Archer's stealing a lot of them. Fiona. Archer, no, let her eat it. So yeah, Emmy's eating over here. She's the one cat that hasn't made an appearance yet. She's like way smaller than the other cats and is always like timid around feeding time, so I always have to give her treats and food like somewhere special, like away from them. All right, let's see what's next. Next up is by Blue, the Blue Buffalo, and this is Kitty Cravings Crunchy Cat Treats with Real Chicken, under 2 calories per treat. Love them like family, treat them like family. They are family. This is what this one looks like. Again, I'm sorry I'm really far away. Hopefully the audio is okay. Oh my god, I would just die if the audio wasn't on, but I won't know until I'm done with this. So these are treats, and it says there's no chicken byproduct meals, there's dried meat byproduct, or no dried meat byproducts and no wheat. So you guys are getting spoiled today. Come up here. Who wants this treat? I must say my cats are not really picky eaters in my experience, but let's see if they like this one. These are a little bit smaller than the Temptations. Hey babies, want a treat? Archer, want to come up here? For some reason they don't want to eat on the table. Come here. Want a treat? Archer. 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 Fiona. Okay, this one is a win as well. Oh, on the back it's so cute. There's like a little cat farmer with his like hen. It says, considered to be the world's most fascinating feline, Blue's best buddy, Floyd, prowls farms, fords, and the high seas in quest to find the tastiest cat treats ever created. I think I have cat hair on my mouth from like kissing one of my cat's heads or something. But that's nothing new. Okay, cool. So this is a win too. Are you guys happy? I wish you would come back up here. Ooh, and then we got some Friskies. This is the Party Mix Original Crunch with chicken and flavors of liver and turkey. Real chicken is the #1 ingredient. Under 2 calories per treat. I feel like all cat treats say that. Complete in balance for adult cats, and it helps clean their teeth. These are all really good sizes because they're treats, so this will last a while. So this is like a cat mukbang. Is that how you say it? Mukbang, mukbang. Come here. Oh, good job, baby. Come here, Archer. There's a treat right by him, but he's not seeing. Archer. Follow. Archer. Archer. They just start coming. They don't understand. I think because they always eat on the ground, you know. Well, Emmy doesn't, but. Come here, you guys. Oh, these look a little different. Emmy, come here. Okay, all 3 of them ate this too, so they're doing good. This is a 3 for 3, which you guys can see. Oh, I know they like these. This is the Sheba Perfect Portions, not potions. Pate gourmet chicken and tuna. I used to feed them more wet food when they were babies. My like vet in Chicago said it's good to feed them that, especially males, because like their kidneys, I don't know. But it's kind of gross, but I mean, I know they'll like these, so I'll definitely use them. So there's 2 of these, so maybe I'll like have to cut it up or just give it to the 2 of them. But next up, this is like actual food, so I won't have this open now, but I'll try it out, and maybe like if they really like it and it's healthier for them, I will buy this in the future. Hi Archer. This is the Healthy Holistic Blue Adult Indoor Health with Life Source Spits. Oh, you found the treat up here. Finally works. It's made of chicken and brown rice. Totally tasty. It aids with healthy digestion, weight management, healthy skin and coat. 2 of my cats are chubby, so that's nice. Awesome. I've heard really good things about this brand, so happy to have this. This is definitely enough to feed 3 of them. Sorry. Oh, and the last thing, these are by Sheba, the meaty tender sticks with chicken. No artificial colors or flavors, no corn, wheat, or soy. Made with real meat with chicken. There's 5 sticks. I think I've gotten something similar to this a long time ago, like in Chicago for sure. And they liked these, but like they're very easily pleased with food. They're so happy right now. Do you want, come here. Emmy, will you make an appearance? I guess she's been in videos recently. So yeah, cool. So I think this is definitely worth it because you get so many treats. I feel like when you get these treats at the store, they're a few dollars each. Because this is definitely like the size you get at the store. This is 2 ounces, 56.6 grams. Hi Fiona, do you want another treat, baby girl? Fiona makes the least amount of appearances in my videos. Here, baby. She loves treats the most. It works for her every time. I always have to bribe my cats inside on my lanai. I let them sit out there, and they don't want to come in a lot of times at night. So I bribe a treat. It always works with her, but Archer, not as much. I have to like pick him up. Emmy, it'll work for her, but she's good. She always just wants to be by me. She's so cute. She's definitely had the least amount of snacks. Every time I throw one to her, like one of the other cats comes and gets it. Oh, baby Emmy, you need to be more aggressive. Oh, go get it, Emmy. Good girl. Yay, Emmy just got one. Oh, I'm like a proud cat mom. So yeah, this is awesome. So we got 3 bags of treats. Oops, I'm picking up the tissue. Cool. A bag of cat food, which is enough for me to feed all 3 of them at least once. The 2 Shiba portions, I do think my cats love these. I don't know if I've tried that one specifically, but probably because I used to get the variety packs. And then the Shiba meaty tender sticks. Oh, and I didn't read anything about them, but whatever. You get the drill, what these are. Hi, baby. Oh man, I'm so happy this like setup is working. I knew in my beauty room I have like a really small table, like where I normally film in front of me, and keep my boxes and stuff when I open. I knew it wouldn't work in there, so I'm glad this is working. Are you sniffing the box? But along with all the stuff, we have a $5 off coupon for Target. So really it's like you get $5, or you pay $5 if you use this coupon. So this is totally a good deal. So I will definitely leave the link down below. And if you don't have a cat, they do have a dog version, which I heard good things from. I watched some people unbox it and their dogs were in the videos and they love them. So yeah, this is awesome. So thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me and my kitties. They are loving it, and I love that they made an appearance. I know Emmy hasn't, but she's in front of me right now and looking extra cute. I forgot to mention this in the beginning of my video. I do have 4 giveaways going on, including my big skincare giveaway. So if you have not yet entered those, I will definitely leave the links below along with these boxes. All the good stuff, all the information will be in the description box as always. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!